So, TradeXYZ is a decentralized exchange which is powered by Hyperliquid, and it lets traders trade real-world assets such as indices, ETFs, stocks, commodities, forex, even pre-IPOs. And they have its own centralized applications of its own interface, but you can also trade its own assets directly on the Hyperliquid interface, which we will be doing in both cases. So I'm gonna be selling some Ethereum here once we have USDC. So basically, if you go to either 8, HIP free or TradFi, you can see the tags. So the tag represents the issuer of the asset here. So the XYZ are the assets by TradeXYZ. We will be testing, and you can also filter from here. We will long some Tesla now. Let's see. Reduce the leverage a little bit. 50% margin, slightly more, so you get the full Tesla share. There you go, you just open the long. You can set limit orders, and you could even close the position directly from the TradeXYZ interface. You see, press the net, enable trading if you haven't used it on this address yet. And once you get bored with your position or you want to take some profit or some loss, you can just close it from here. And you will see it will also disappear on Hyperliquid. So that's pretty much it, how to open and close trades. Fancy interface they have. You can even deposit some stable coins, store in some modest yield, and you can check your portfolio.